Hello, today I want to show you premium ways on how you can grow soya beans for factories, and I'm going to explain the concept of zero or minimum tillage, which can be an advantage to you while doing soya beans. So let's dive in. Hello. So what does zero tillage mean? It means we leave the ground alone instead of turning the soil. We leave the remains of old crops or cleared weeds, right? We leave this of the soil to act as cover. See, soya beans love this. So you can keep the ground cool, hold moisture in the soil when the sun is hot, and protect your land. The best part is that you completely skip the use of tractors, which can be a very important cost in soybean cultivation. I know what you are thinking. Now you can ask, if I don't plow, won't weeds take over my farm? No, they won't. If you know the right timing, applying chemicals, you do control weeds. So what do you do? 2 weeks before planting, you apply a strong dose of glyphosate. By doing this, you are able to eliminate all the weeds. Glyphosate is an important herbicide because it kills up to the root system. Very systemic, very strong. It will help your plants to come up and controlling the weeds. Now, right after planting, you go back and apply Pre-Emergence. Now, right, this will help to keep the weeds away while your soya beans sprout. The important one is metolachlor. We have a brand, a common brand popularly sold in the market called Metafos. There are other brands that are available that will be able to do a very good job in keeping weeds low. So Pre-Emergence chemical creates a shield on the top of the soil, and it keeps weeds away from growing while your soya beans grow. Remember, after spraying Pre-Emergence herbicide, you are not expected to do any farm activity on the soil. One big mistake most people do is that they buy regular seeds in the market and they want to plant their soya beans using regular seeds. It will not work, especially if your target market at the end of the day are factories. And so it is important for you to get TGX certified seeds. These seeds contain high protein and produce high quantity of oil, which will be very attractive for your market at the end of the day. Another advantage is that they also don't open and drop their beans while harvesting. So it's important that you get these certified seeds to maximize these qualities that are very important for quality harvest. Apart from giving you massive harvest, these seeds, they contain nitrogen fixing bacteria, which helps to trap nitrogen in the atmosphere and helps you to eliminate the use of nitrogen chemical fertilizer for soya beans. And it's also important before you plant that you buy seed treatment chemical. Specifically, I will recommend this called Eco Seed. It helps to inoculate the seeds so that they are able to maximize atmospheric nitrogen through the rhizobium bacteria that is available in the root nodule of the soya beans. When it's time to sell to buyers, in order to get the right price, make sure you do these 2 things. Number 1, sun dry your soya beans. make sure that the moisture content is at least lower than 12%. This is very, very important to avoid the soybeans being in damp or moist growing molds and therefore reducing the quality. Another very important thing to do is to beat the soybeans on tarpaulins, reduce the dirt as much as possible, and bag them in standard 100 kg bags. Once your buyers meet neat soybeans, to attract high prices and you will be able to gain more value for them. Beats is highly required by a lot of industries. They use it for several things, from producing soybean oil to baby foods to animal feeds to Maggi, tomato paste, a lot of things. What is the one thing making you nervous? Are you worried that the grasses won't die? That's talking about the weeds. Or you might not be able to get TGX certified seeds. Listen, come to the comment section, ask your questions, let's discuss, let's see how we'll be able to help you, and let's grow together. What